Let's face it, cutting corners is risky. Just like not all barbers are the same. When it comes to having your Toyota repaired after an accident, not all collision centers are the same. You can always grow your hair back out, but having your vehicle fixed improperly by a shop that cuts corners, it's just too risky. When it comes to your Toyota, don't risk it. Insist on having your vehicle repaired at a Toyota certified collision center.